placement part.
Oh, nice overalls. Ooh, very nice. And another pair. And another pair. I think they're $6 each, so that's a pretty good. Pretty good deal on that.
And HDMI.
Garmin for 15. Sony Walkman CD player. Oh man. The bed frame is awesome. Side tables, the lamp. It's all wood. Really nice. Matching. Dresser. $80. This is cool though. I like the chair too. $250 on the bed frame, which is actually not very bad, but I think it might be a queen. If it were a king, I'd probably buy it.
You know, it's always one of those I should have had it. Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Yeah, that's it.
Man, this lamp too. 5 foot tall at least. Wooden base. 200 on it. Man, that's really cool though. Table. Probably have to snag these. Nice color. This one too.
So 2020.
No, the whole thing's 20. There's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I'll give this to Bonnie. Friendship is a gift from God.
Now, follow me to checkout. There that is. Checkout.
Take a right, take a right. Not that way. Keep going, not that way.
Just a lodge. $30 on this one, same I think. Guy was a airplane guy. Jepson airway manual. What is this? We're gonna have to look that up.
It is, it's the same
Cool
concept.
enough.
Oh, I've been on bunches of them, I just don't want. Yeah. Do you know how many coolers we have, though?
I'm sure I don't need it. Now we're all curious.
Does it go over half
Well, I don't know.
or over something?
Yeah, that's what it was, sure. And I don't know why.
A boat?
I don't know.
Step flat, maybe so.
I don't know. And doesn't know either, so.
Maybe you need it since you don't
I'm
have
sure,
one.
I'm sure I don't need it. I'm sure I don't need
None
it.
of us have one, so I think we need it.
Too much. Oh, I told my neighbor to come buy those.
I'm sorry.
He builds model kits, and I said, "Hey, there's an estate sale. You know, they're doing." He had a bunch of models like you do, airplanes and stuff. He's like, "Oh, I'll go check it out." Hey, he wasn't early enough. Now he's gonna come by and be like, "Neighbor, they didn't have no model kits." There's still a couple over here, maybe. Yeah, these are a little more expensive too, and they're
I
smaller.
thought there was a big one in there of the
Of that.
55, I guess.
That's the one I was gonna come back and get actually.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, dear, I'm not gonna tell my son about these. Take an hour to figure it out. Radical realism.
Is that what you wanted?
No, they already sold last night, when I left here at 5:50.
Oh, what did they sell?
They had a couple of knives, like knives.
Oh, knives, yeah.
That bar grip.
Man, I got two, I got two knives in here for carving in here that are $5 each, that were normally like 30 or 40 bucks each.
Just leave your
Okay.
door open.
Perfect. Works. Oh man. All the paint stuff is gone. Man, I figured that would still be here. Nope. Hello, good morning.
Oh my gosh, this mattress is a select comfort. Oh, wow. Yes.
Can I grab this? Are y'all getting that?
It's yours.
All right.
This is this.
Yeah, Ambry?
Amber.
Oh, they're cute.
Are you interested in a little bit on?
Isn't that cute? She spotted it.
It's so cute.
Be interested in
It's
that.
got a little, I will show you now, it's got a little place here, but you don't, I don't think that'll bother you. It's got that right there. But I think you might even come in and offer.
Put it back, and there it is. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
I'm losing the bike. Is the bike in there? Maybe.
All that stuff was in there.
Samsung flip phone.
Or somebody might have got it for something else yesterday. Here's another box of things in here.
Oh,
Can I see that one? Check me out.
yeah.
What do I get for it?
I had to dig the one out that I bought yesterday out of there, so there is stuff in there. There is stuff in there.
I don't know what it is.
Power adapter, but it has to deal with that close.
That's the Bose. This one.
Is there a Bose one in there?
Here's the Bose.
There's the Bose one.
Oh,
You got that Bose there.
I bought, yeah. I don't think this is it, though. They must have had another one. I don't know.
No, that's not it. I'm pointing to it.
I should ask my wife. Send her a picture, see?
Oh, no, I would do that. Listen, the mattress on this is a number, one of the number mattresses. It's real, yeah, here they are. Yeah, so that would be excellent.
This is nice, actually. $11. It's kind of sold. $10 for that. You know what? I think I'm gonna get us a coffee maker, but everything is $10 for this one. What was this one? Old Lodge, probably. Why is this $60? Russell Wright, Oneida. Ice cream scoop. Huh.
Yeah, yeah, she's got it all. Read them to the camera.
Oopsies. Good things.
You're such a good shop.
That is nice. Oh, that's cool. It has the scoop is in the kitchen, and then the ice cream cooler is up there.
Good morning.
But I don't know.
No speakers, no. These big speakers here.
Yeah.
I may just close that, no, the closet's in there. I was gonna say I'll just close that door, but let's see others. Good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna talk to you.
Should I take? You'll take. Take that one.
No, TV, so.
Big old TV.
much
How
pain.
are you? Good. I'm stuck in there.
Oh, yeah, loaded.
Yeah, I went over to Lowe's the other day, they wanted $66 for a bag of fertilizer over there for the lawn. Hey, what's up? See what I'm seeing. Did you radio? Oh, yeah. Who would do that to you?
Yeah, I'm gonna get right over here and look at these books.
Your little diamond knife on this kid.
That's what this goes to.
So all these blades here for the shafts for this thing that's got hot. So we should take all those with us.
All right, I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna pass on that. I'm gonna put this goes with that, I'm pretty sure, so I'll put it there for the next person. And okay.
Okay, great.
All right, y'all, welcome back to the eBay room. This estate sale was 2 streets over from my street, so very convenient. Went both days. It was only a 2-day estate sale. Second day was 50% off. Was the third one in line the second day because I wanted to make sure that I got some of those items that I thought might still be there. We spent a total of $177 over both days, and I bought a $40 Bose speaker for myself, and then the two mid-century glass pieces. So I spent $75 on myself. So for reselling purposes, I spent $102, and you guys saw that we got way more in value than that. Probably somewhere around the $300 to $350 profit mark. And you know, like I said, if you guys can go to these sales, find a couple of $100, do it 3 or 4 times a week, or even 3 or 4 times a month, it adds up and you're going to start making decent money eventually. As I always say, if you guys are still watching at this point, I greatly appreciate y'all watching. I hope everybody is happy, healthy, staying positive. As always, God bless y'all. I'll see you next time.